Yo, Japan just tanked 1% while the rest of Asia's literally asleep for Lunar New Year. But here's what no one is telling you about this timing and why your portfolio needs attention right now. Nikkei 225 just dropped about 1% intraday today. Problem is, the rest of Asia is literally shut for Lunar New Year. That leaves Japan trading solo. Fewer participants, louder moves. Empty Shanghai trading floor and the markets closed for the holiday. Hong Kong's dark too. Whole region offline this week. Calendars stamped. China, South Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, and Vietnam all closed through the week. Map confirms it. The whole region is offline for Lunar New Year. Trading solo equals thin liquidity. Order books look sparse. Thin liquidity blows up volatility. Small flows cause exaggerated moves. That creates potential gap ups or gap downs when Asia reopens on February 3rd. Mark Feb 3rd. That's the big reopen to watch. Sectors took the hit today. Here's the breakdown across Japan's market tiles. Tech led the losses. Exact percentages on screen. Autos also sold off. Watch major names ticking red across the mini ticker. Banks dipped as well. Keep an eye on financials into the reopen. Quick recap. Nikkei down 1%. Asia's closed. Liquidity is thin. Watch February 3rd. But while stocks are doing their thing, Bitcoin just had one of its wildest months. Alright, here's what Gen Z investors should do right now. First, watch February 3rd when Asian markets reopen. Expect volatility spillover from Japan's solo trading. Japan trading alone can amplify moves across regional markets. Thin liquidity, bigger swings. Bitcoin sitting at 67K is either a bear flag or an accumulation zone. Check exchange reserves. Sharp outflows suggest accumulation. Rising reserves could signal selling pressure. Long-term holder supply is trending up, which suggests support from long-term buyers. Dollar cost averaging beats trying to time this chop. Notice the smoother, higher DCA equity curve. Set recurring buys on your calendar. Let your cost basis stabilize over time. The Fed meets February 19th. That's the real catalyst. Rate cut hopes versus inflation data. Watch CPI and PCE trend lines closely. YoY and MOM deltas will swing sentiment. Quick checklist. Watch Feb 3 reopening. Monitor BTC on-chain metrics. DCA instead of timing. And watch the Feb 19 Fed meeting. Every sentence delivers value. Zero fluff. Stay on data. That's your playbook. Watch the dates, monitor on-chain metrics, DCA, and follow the Fed. If this breakdown actually helped you make sense of this market chaos, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment with your Bitcoin price prediction for February. Let's see who calls it.